Let us show you around here in Takayama area. It's just a simple and serene village, friend. Yung sinasabi ng old town here in Takayama. Yan. Napaka-rustic na design niya. Bango ah. The famous Red Bridge in Takayama. The famous Red Bridge.
Baka abutin tayo nang hindi tayo makakasin.
We're back sa parking namin. Yan, para siyang temple yata yun eh.